Okay, so these two are fighting over a nipple. It looks like a little bitch fight. Slap, 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 slap. Pushing at each other. It's kind of super cute, I thought. Oh, I think we have a loser. And a winner. No, get out. That's my nipple. I want that nipple. Get out. It's mine. Ugh, get your stupid head out of there. No, no, it's mine. Mama's like, just get another nipple. I have plenty. And that's exactly what they've done. So cute. And such noisy drinkers. Mama is so relaxed and calm. She's being such a good mother. So this is... Oh gosh, they're back to fighting. They're about 12 hours old right now. Maybe 15 hours old at most.